I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check your account balance on Instacart, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your balance. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access payment information. In your account settings, look for the payment information option and select it. This section contains details about your balance and payment methods. Step 4. View your balance. Once in the payments section, you should see your current account balance displayed at the top. If you don't see it, make sure you have an active payment method linked. Step 5. Log out and log back in if needed. If your balance isn't showing, try logging out of your account and then logging back in. This can refresh the app and display your updated balance. Remember, if you have any issues, checking the app's help section can provide additional support. Happy shopping!